Hello everyone, here Dr. Zahid Ansari, Professor of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I'll discuss how to draw graphical shapes in a Java applet. Java AWT graphics class, it provides various methods to draw various shapes. Some of these methods are listed over here. There's a method called draw line. This method is for drawing the line. We need to provide the xy coordinates of the two endpoints, x1, y1, x2, y2. Then the next method is draw oval. In this we can draw an oval shape and we need to specify the enclosing rectangle. So we specify the top left corner of the enclosing rectangle and then width and height of the rectangle. This oval will be drawn hollow, so only outline boundary will be there. Then the next method is fill oval. In this the filled oval shape will be there. Again the parameters are same. We are providing the specifications of the enclosing rectangle, that is we are providing the left and top coordinate and width and height of the rectangle. Then there is a method called draw rectangle. Again we are specifying the left top corner coordinate and the width and height of the rectangle. If you want the fill rectangle, we call the method called fill rectangle. To draw an arc, again we are specifying the enclosing rectangle. We are also specifying the starting angle from where we want to start our arc, and then the total angle of the arc that we are specifying as the last parameter. Okay. Similarly, if you want the filled arc, then for that we are calling the method fill arc. Then there is a method called draw string, in which we specify a string and the xy position where we want to start our string from. Okay, so using draw string we can we can display the string. Draw the rectangle, the hollow rectangle we are drawing. Fill rectangle, we are drawing the filled rectangle. Draw oval, hollow oval, fill oval, filled oval, and we can use the set color method to set the color of various shapes. Okay, so let's see. If you want to draw the line, then for that we are calling the method draw line and we are specifying the two ends of the line. Okay, so the coordinates of the two endpoints we are specifying over here. So in this case, let's say we 10, 20 is 1 point. Okay, then after that 150 and 45 is another point. So the line will be drawn this way. Okay, we can also specify 150, 45 as the first point and 10, 20 as the second point. It's both same, either in whatever order we specify the point, it will draw the same line. Then in order to draw the rectangle, first we specify the top left corner. So let's say we specified that point over here. After that we want to specify the width and height. Okay, so we are specifying the width 100 and height here. Okay, so we are specifying this top left corner, that is 50, 20, width is 100 and height is 40. Similarly, to draw an oval in the same way. Okay, so we are specifying the top left corner, right, 175 and 20. Then the bounding rectangle over here. Okay, and it will draw the oval over here. Okay, The same oval can be drawn through draw or arc method also. So basically here also we are specifying first the top left corner only. Then we specify the enclosing rectangle of the arc. Okay. Then after that we are specifying the angle from which the arc should be drawn, the starting angle. Okay. So the angle 0 is over here, the angle 90 here, the angle 180 here, and angle 270 here. So we want the starting angle 0. Okay. After that we want the arc of 360 degree. That is basically we want the full oval over here. We can specify the arc of 90 degree or the arc of 180 degree, right? That we can specify. But here we have specified the full 360 degree. Okay. So basically it will be finally this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see an example of it. Okay. So we have written a class called drawing shapes. Okay. It is an applet class. Here we are specifying two integers, width and height. So by calling the method get size, we are getting the width and we are getting the height over here. Okay. Then we are setting the background color to black over here. All this we are doing in the init method. Inside the paint method we are drawing various shapes. Okay. So let's say first we want to draw the hollow rectangle. We are setting the color red and we are specifying the top left corner, the width of the rectangle and the height of the rectangle. Then we are setting the color pink and we want to draw the filled rectangle. We are specifying its top left corner and width and height. Okay. After that we want to draw the oval. We are setting the color to blue and we are specifying the top left corner and the width and height of the enclosing rectangle. Then we want to create a filled rectangle with the orange color. So we are setting the color. We are calling not filled rectangle. We want to create a filled oval. So we are calling the method filled oval. It's top left corner and width and height of the enclosing rectangle. After that we want to draw the arc. So we are specifying the color yellow. We are specifying that the top left corner of the enclosing rectangle in which we want to draw the arc. Then width and height of the rectangle. Then the starting angle we are specifying as the 90 degree. Like top of the rectangle from there. Then we want to draw the arc for 180 degree. Okay. After that we want to create a filled arc over here. So we are specifying the coordinates, top left coordinate 140, 40 and the width and height of the rectangle 120, 20. The starting angle of the arc is 90 and length of the arc is 45 degrees. Okay. Then after that we are again creating two filled arcs, right, which are one over the basically filled arc. We are two filled arc we are drawing. One is of the magenta color and the other is of the black color. Okay. Then at the last we are trying to print a string drawing shapes with the green color. Okay. Let's run this and see the output over here. Okay. So see, this is our applet. Okay. Let me enlarge it. Yeah. So let's see here, right? The first rectangle of the red color, it is over here. Then a filled rectangle of the pink color, it is this over here. Then the oval, hollow oval of the blue color, it is this. Then the filled oval of the orange color, it is over here. Then after that, the arc of yellow color, right, which starts at the 90 degree and the length is 180 degree, it is over here. Then after that, the filled arc, right, which starts at the 90 degree and its length is 45 degree, it is, and with the cyan color, it is over here. Then after that, we are drawing a magenta filled arc over here, starting from 90 degree for 45 degree. Okay. Within this, basically we are drawing another arc of the black color over here, which is starting at 90 degree and going for 45 degree. So it is covering some part of it. That's why we are seeing this kind of magenta arc. And finally, we are writing the string, drawing shape over here by calling drawString method. Okay, so this finishes the demonstration of drawing various shape inside a Java applet. Thank you.